Welcome to 34775 County Road 119M in Sidney, Montana. Located just 10 minutes south of town, this expansive 28-plus acre property offers the perfect blend of privacy, wide open space, and serene surroundings. Ideal for horses, a hobby farm, recreational use, or simply enjoying the quiet beauty of rural Montana living. This spacious open-concept living area is filled with natural light, thanks to expansive windows that showcase the surrounding landscape and blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The bright, airy ambience amplifies the sense of space and comfort. The updated kitchen features stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and ample storage. Whether cooking for family or hosting guests, it's both functional and stylish. The adjoining dining area offers a seamless flow, perfect for meals and gatherings. This home features a primary suite with its own en-suite bath, offering added comfort and privacy. Additionally, there are 2 more bedrooms on the same floor, offering extra space for family or guests. This thoughtful layout ensures both convenience and flexibility, allowing you to customize the space to fit your needs. On the main living floor, you'll find the primary suite with its own en-suite bath, along with 2 additional bedrooms for added convenience and flexibility. But the spaciousness doesn't end there. 1 floor below, you'll discover a large family room, ideal for relaxation and entertainment. Also on this lower level, you'll find an additional room, perfect for a guest space. The entertainment room is truly the heart of this home, designed for relaxation and enjoyment. With ample space and a welcoming atmosphere, it's ideal for family movie nights, watching the big game, or hosting lively gatherings with friends. Adjacent to the entertainment area is a small kitchenette, complete with a sink and ample storage for food and refreshments. Just steps away, the office provides a bright, tranquil space, ideal for focused work or creative endeavors. Just beside the office, you'll find a full bathroom, offering both convenience and privacy. Adjacent to that is a spacious laundry area, equipped with ample storage, making it easy to keep everything organized while handling laundry needs with ease. Additional features include a 2-car garage, newer siding, a spacious deck with views, and a detached garage with pole barn for extra storage. This property combines acreage, privacy, and town proximity, offering a rare opportunity to create your ideal lifestyle.